I have 3 pounds hot Italian sausage, and this is what they look like when you get them. So I like to take them and roll them, round them up, fix the ends, roll them again. If you notice, I have them in a staggered pattern. Was it 5 across the bottom, 1 on each side, and then I did it on a diagonal. The plane, the plane! Alright, let me wash my hands. Could do it with a ½ liter, but I want them all submerged. I'm going to use a whole liter. Now they're almost fully submerged, except that one, stubborn one. Just push it down. And then if you haven't used a pressure cooker, put the lid on, making sure it's on seal, hit pressure cook, and start. That easy, walk out the house. That's why I love the pressure cooker.